Assalamu alaikum. I am Nilufar Yasmin. Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are well and safe. Welcome to my online class. Today I discuss with you Chapter 7 Food. Dear students, in your last class I discussed with you seasonal fruits, which is classified based on summer fruits, winter fruits, fruits throughout the year, and vegetables, which is classified based on seasonal vegetables, summer vegetables, winter vegetables, and vegetables throughout the year. So dear students, our today's topic is preserving food. Please take your science book, page number 51. I hope all of you are ready to read. By which ways we preserve food? With various kinds of foods to survive and grow. Fresh foods make us healthy and provide us energy, but spoiled foods would make us sick and weak. Food spoils because of pests and microorganisms getting into food. We need to preserve food to stop spoiling. Dear students, all types of food are not available throughout the year, so we need to preserve food in different ways. What is preserving food? Food preservation is the process of treating and handling food to stop or slow down spoilage, loss of quality, edibility or nutritional value, and thus allow for longer food storage. I repeat it again. Food preservation is the process of treating and handling food to stop or slow down spoilage, loss of quality, edibility or nutritional value, and thus allow for longer food storage. Now I discuss with you the ways of preserving food. People have used scientific methods to preserve foods. Crops like rice, wheat, pulses, etc. can be preserved by sun drying. Fish, meat, vegetables and fruits can keep in good condition for some days in refrigerator. Vegetable, fish, meats can also be preserved in the cold storage in order to supply in the market throughout the year. Jam, jelly, pickles are processed from fruits and preserved in airtight food. Besides, fishes can be preserved by using salt or ice. We can also use sugar, vinegar or oil to preserve olives, palms, mangoes, etc. for a long time. Drying. Drying is the process of taking away the moisture by heating in the sun or an oven. This method works well for many types of foods, including fruit, vegetable, fish, meat, grain and pulses. Now I discuss with you canning or bottling. Canning is the process of heating food at a specific temperature for a specific period. The food is sealed in a closed container. Fruits, vegetables, fish, meat and some prepared foods are preserved in this way. Now I discuss with you refrigerator. Refrigeration is the process of keeping food in a cold place. Refrigerator can be used for preserving many foods, especially vegetables, fruits, fish and meat. Pickling, salting and icing are also other ways of preserving food. My dear students, you can see the some picture of preserving food which is given in textbook page number 51. Here is dry fish, jelly, pickles, refrigerator. Here is also a task for you, discussion. How do we preserve food? Make a list of how to preserve different kinds of foods, vegetable, fish, meat and fruits in our house. Share your ideas with your parents or sister or brothers. Dear students, we should eat a balanced diet to get the nutrition we need, but what food we eat to keep our body healthy. It is important to know which foods we should take regularly and which foods we should eat limited. Some foods are not good for our health. Some foods include too much nutrients that are not necessary for our health. Artificial colors are added to foods to make them more appealing and desirable. There are so many foods such as sweet, jelly, candy, ice cream, cakes and soft drinks that contain artificial color. Food containing artificial colors may have health problems such as cancer, attention deficit disorder and hyperactivity. Dishonest dealers add harmful chemicals to foods. Formalin is used for preserving foods. Chemicals such as carbide is used for ripening fruits. Foods containing chemicals can cause many diseases such as dysfunction of liver and kidney. People may get cancer by those chemicals. Dear students, some of you may heard about the junk food. Popular junk food includes burgers, pizza, potato chips, fried chicken, soft drinks, etc. Junk foods are delicious, but they do not make a balanced diet. Many junk foods have a lot of sugar, salt or fat that our body needs a little bit. Eating too much junk food instead of regular food may cause nutritional deficiencies, overweight and obesity. Dear students, now I discuss with you importance of preserving food. Food preservation can stop wastage and slow down spoilage of food. Foods such as fish, meat, vegetables and dairy products are frequently contaminated with bacteria and spoiled. Food preservation helps prevent the growth of bacteria that cause spoilage. Food preservation makes the seasonal food available throughout the year. It makes easy to transport food to far place. Dear students, what we have learned in this lesson? What is food preservation? How can we preserve food? Scientific method of food preservation and importance of food preservation. Please note down today's homework. Read and learn MCQ matching from page 51 to 52. Dear students, please read the lesson properly. I hope you have finished your writing. Okay. If you have any inquiry, please contact with me. Thank you.